Hey, we got the initial inspection here in Baytown. Checking out the home. I think we got 3 or 4 bedrooms. Not in bad condition. Garage. Of course, you'll have to do your own inspections. Formal dining room area. Looks like you got your washroom. And it connects to the primary bedroom, which is downstairs. Big walk-in closet. Library. His and hers. Hers and hers, his and his. Primary bedroom. It's a huge backyard. Fence needs to be repaired. It's falling down. Kitchen. That could be a formal living. Not bad spaces for pantry. Got a half bath down here. Formal dining room. And then we'll go upstairs. Carpet doesn't look too bad. You got your second bedroom here. Second full bath. Third bedroom. Carpet's not bad shape. Nothing in the... And then little bridge over to the other side of the house. Looks like a media room. Yep. Locked. And you got your fourth bedroom here. It's got its own bathroom. What a bonus. And a little extra storage. There's the water heaters, 2 of them. Hey, if you need information about this home or others, contact us. Thanks.